In this first part of our demonstration of the functionality of HDF, we are going to attempt to infect a Windows system with the virus SDBOT using a USB data stick while HDF is turned off. We'll use Process Explorer to keep an eye on the virus processes. Process Explorer is an advanced task manager type program from Microsoft that shows process creation as a green bar and process termination as a red bar. We'll also use McAfee Stinger, a standalone antivirus scanner which detects and appears to clean or delete the infection. We begin by verifying that HDF is turned off before inserting the infected USB stick into the computer. This is an all too familiar method of virus infection. Once the USB stick is inserted, the user is presented with a dialog box that has the Run Program option highlighted and OK primed as the default selection. Presented with this, most users would simply choose OK, as we will do here, and straight away using Process Explorer, which is open in the background, we can see that a process called DNSXE starts, as shown by the green bars. DNSXE is the SDBOT virus extractor, and we can see that once running, it extracts a file called MSW-DNS32.exe, which is its malicious payload, and writes it to the Windows System folder. As soon as it has done so, it terminates itself, as shown by the red bar, which it does to confuse antivirus software and prevent security researchers reverse engineering its code. We can see that the process MSW-DNS32.exe is running, and if we look at the HDF log file, it has clearly recorded that it was DNSXE that has downloaded and written the binary MSW-DNS32.exe, as signified by the code 0 in this column, meaning HDF is turned off to allow the file write. Using a command shell, we should be able to check the existence of MSW-DNS32.exe as written to the disk. When we check for the file, however, the system tells us that it doesn't exist, even though we know from Process Explorer that it is running from this location. This strange behaviour is one of the tricks employed by SDBOT to evade detection and removal. Most viruses today exhibit this capability. Now we'll use McAfee's Stinger, which is a standalone antivirus program, to perform a scan for threats. We want McAfee's Stinger to find and remove SDBOT, so in the Preferences dialog we've chosen that Stinger should delete any viruses that it finds. When the scan completes, we can see that Stinger has found SDBOT by name in MSW-DNS32.exe and deleted it, reporting one infected file and one deleted file. Has Stinger really cleared the infection? We'll find out after a system restart. Here, after the system has been restarted, and perhaps unsurprisingly, we can see that SDBOT, which is process MSW-DNS32.exe, has survived both the reboot and the antivirus cleaning operation. In part 2, we'll carry out the same infection attempt, this time with HDF turned on, and we'll analyse how HDF protects the system from such malware attacks.